Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand guidelines to the Brandfolder library, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer brand guidelines to the Brandfolder library, begin by gathering all necessary brand assets. Ensure you have the latest version of your brand guidelines document ready for upload. Log into your Brandfolder account using your credentials. Navigate to the specific Brandfolder where you want to upload the guidelines. Look for the Upload button, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Upload button to open the File Selection dialog. Select the Brand Guidelines document from your local storage. Once selected, confirm the upload to begin the transfer process. Wait for the upload to complete. You will receive a notification once it's done. After the upload, locate the newly added guidelines in your Brandfolder library. If necessary, click on the document to preview it and assure everything is in order. To make your brand guidelines easily accessible, consider adding tags related to the document. Click on the Add Tags option and input relevant keywords that relate to your brand. Once tagged, hit the Save button to ensure the changes are applied. Consider creating a description for the guidelines for better context. Click on the Edit button and type a concise description outlining the contents of the document. After adding the description, save your changes to finalize the updates. To enhance visibility, share your brand guidelines with team members. Select the sharing options available in Brandfolder to control who can view or edit the document. Review the sharing settings to ensure the right permissions are granted. Once settings are in place, share the link with your team members. Encourage team members to refer to the brand guidelines as needed. Regularly review and update your brand guidelines in the Brandfolder to maintain consistency. Repeat this process whenever there are updates to your brand assets or guidelines. By following these steps, you ensure that your brand guidelines are effectively transferred and easily accessible within the Brandfolder library. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.